Hey everyone, Joe Rendazzo here, Product Manager for Authorization, to talk about granular permissions for the admin area. Going into 18.1, we'll have what is called the custom admin role to solve for this, and it'll be marked as beta. Let's take it a step back here. The problem that we're trying to solve is organizations often have a support or SRE teams who need granular access to the admin area to perform the job, but should not have full admin access. To solve this, we have what is called the custom admin role, and it'll handle a few use cases out there. For example, reducing full admins on GitLab self-managed or dedicated, read-only access to the admin area. Platform teams may be managing runners or settings. You might also have the support team troubleshooting user access from the instance level, or the billing owner needs to manage a subscription. In terms of the security model, if we think about the three user types, regular user, auditor, or admin, the regular user and auditor has no admin access by default. So if you assign the custom admin role with either read or write based on X permissions, they can access the admin area that way. Here's a quick walkthrough of some of our workflows in terms of the UX. If you're already using custom roles at the top level, or in this case, the instance level, you'll see member role, which is for groups and projects, and then admin role, which is for the admin area. Here are some of the workflows when it comes to creating, assigning. Creation workflow, we'll get into this in the demo, but you're just setting the name, setting the permissions, pretty straightforward. Going into the assignment, so you can either set the regular user or auditor and then assign that custom role on top. And then, for example, if you're using LDAP, you can assign that server group and then the specific custom admin role. Going into a demo, go into our roles and permissions page. I'll go ahead and create a platform role. Right, let's create that role. We should probably select the permissions too, huh? All right. Again, if you wanted to use LDAP, you can go ahead and set the server, sync method, LDAP group, and then the custom admin role to those users. If you want to assign it directly to the user without LDAP, you can go into the users. We'll set it on this user. Go ahead and edit it. You'll see different user types. So I'll keep this user as regular, and then you'll see an option, access summary for regular user, and then you'll see the permissions attached to it for the admin area. Go ahead and save those changes. We'll impersonate the user to see what this looks like. All right, so now we're in the admin area again. We're impersonating this user in particular. And then if you look over the left, we've already seen that we've reduced the access already. So on the navigation, I'll be able to see the dashboard or the metadata here. I can go into the list of users. So if I need to troubleshoot based off the data, there are a few other tabs that we haven't shown here, but if those other tabs are important to your workflows, please let us know. We also don't show groups and projects, but if we need to add that as a separate permission, again, please request that. Going into CI/CD, if I need to troubleshoot runners, if there's errors going on with those, I can drill into those details. Similarly with system monitoring, I can go ahead and do that. All right, that wraps up our demo. A couple validation questions for you. In terms of the name, does custom admin role resonate, or would it make more sense to be custom instance role? And then what granular permissions or use cases would enable use of this role? We have an issue. Please comment on there if you have some feedback for us or a list of permissions that would be beneficial here. Looking forward to your feedback, and thanks for watching.